What's up, internet? In this video, I'll show you how to mod DOA 6 on PC so you can get new character costumes, stages, and animations. Let's get started. First, Google REDELBE. Hopefully I pronounced that right. This is a tool that will allow us to easily mod DOA 6. Click on this link. This will take you to Lover's Lab. This is an adult-only website. Kids, stay away until you order. Shout out to Volume Numero 13 for creating this tool. Scroll down to the bottom of the post. Okay, this is not the file you want. This is an outdated file. Alright, this is it. So this is the current version. Go ahead and click it to download it. You may have to create an account with Lover's Lab to do this. Once you have it downloaded, let's extract it. Alright. What you need to do is copy this DLL file along with this REDELBE folder and paste it into your Dead or Alive game folder. So in my case, I have it under Steam Apps, Common, Dead or Alive 6. So I'm gonna go ahead, just paste it. So here it is. Now you are able to mod DOA 6. The REDELBE folder comes with a couple of included mods under the optional and extras folder. Let's install them so we can see how modding works in DOA. There are two mods here, Random Costume and Story Mode Stages. Both of these are layer 2 mods, meaning that they are added to a different layer of the game rather than replacing existing assets. If you are a beginner, I recommend installing one mod at a time until you are familiar with modding so you don't break anything. First, let's install Random Costume. Okay, let's open this folder up. Click through this. Now you see layer 2. So let's open this guy up and you see random. Okay. Copy this. Go to your DOA 6 folder. Now open up REDELBE, the layer 2, and just paste it in here. Let's test it out to see if it works. At the costume selection screen, to access the mod, press back on your Xbox controller or press select or share on your PS4 controller. As you can see at the bottom right corner there, you see how it says random. So what this means is once you have this selected, it's going to randomly choose a costume for you. So this is vanilla, so you're going to choose this one. But if you press back, it's going to toggle to random. So I'm going to just go ahead and press A. And the game should randomly choose a costume for Kasumi. Look at that. Now let's do the same for the Story Mode Stages mod. So copy this into layer 2. Paste. Alright, let's see how it works. At the stage select screen, let's go down to DOA Coliseum and then press our back button here. Okay, look at that. So here's the Memorial stage, the Coliseum at night, and vanilla. Let's click on the Memorial stage. Look at that. Now you have access to the Story Mode Memorial stage. Installing mods from Lover's Labs is one option. Another place I get my mods from is on DeviantArt. I watch Street Modders. They have all kinds of mods for fighting games here. So let's click on DOA 6. Here you'll find character costume mods, stage mods, and other mods like animation mods. To make it clear, I'll show you how to install one of each. First, let's download and install this Olaf costume mod here. For the majority of the time, all you need to do is click here to download the mod. At times, mod authors will put their download links in the comments. And what do you know? Here it is. Just go ahead and click this and download the mod. Once you have it downloaded, let's browse through the archive to see what kind of mod it is and where it goes. So there are different versions of the mod here. I'm going to choose this one. Seeing that there isn't a layer 2 folder, this is going to be a replacement mod. And looking at the file names, this is going to be replacing costume number 7 for Zach. Okay, that's all the info we need. Let's go ahead and extract it. Once you have it extracted, we're going to copy this character folder into the character editor folder. Press paste. Material. We'll go to material editor. Alright, let's start up the game, see how it looks like. Don't freak out just yet. Remember in the file name it says costume 7 for Zach, right? So let's keep on scrolling down. Costume 7. There you go. Select it. And here it is. That's pretty cool, huh? The next mod we'll install is the Seaside Eden Beach Weather and Time mod. So this is a stage mod. Click this button to download. Make sure you always read the descriptions. There's always useful information here. Once you've downloaded the mod, let's take a look to see what kind of mod it is. And it looks like it's a layer 2 mod. Alright, so that makes it easy. Let's extract this bad boy. Okay. And all you do, just go ahead and copy all of the files. Paste it into the layer 2 folder here. Let's start up the game. Okay, so once you're on the selected stage screen, press back to toggle between the modes. So here's the evening, dawn. Alright, let's go. It's pretty cool. The last mod I'll show you is an animation mod. This mod replaces Hitomi's idle animation with the one from DOA 4. Once you have it downloaded, let's open it up and see what kind of mod we have. Open this guy up. So looks like there's nothing here. So it's not a replacement mod. It's not a layer 2 mod either. Patch is always going to be there. RR preview. Alright, so this is what the data is. Extract. Okay, remember the data is in RR preview. Copy this guy. Go over here to RR preview and paste. Alright, let's open up the game. Through the magic of editing, as you can see, the left hand side is her default vanilla animation from DOA 6. On the right hand side is the modded version from DOA 4. I like it a lot, it's a lot more exaggerated. She's just all over the place, it's so funny. To uninstall the mods, you simply delete the files from your folders. If you want to uninstall all of the mods, just delete the DLL and REDELBE folder. Alright, that's it. Hopefully I gave you a good starting point. There's a lot of good mods out there for you to discover. And as always, please hit the like button if you find this helpful. Subscribe for more DOA content. Have fun and stay safe.